see another different ways to prepare ribeye video again. In February and March 2020, for 30 days, I was only consuming ribeye, salt, and water. And it wasn't boring at all. There are so many ways. Welcome to my life as a carnivore. For 30 days, I was only consuming ribeye, salt, and water. I wanted to get a little bit creative, and I tried out many different ways to prepare ribeye. Of course, you could do all those ways also with a different kind of steak. So let's see what I came up with. I have here a nice piece of ribeye, not very thick, just normal. I like really thick steaks, but this one is just normal size ribeye. I'm gonna put that here on a plate, salt it all over, like really all over. So, and now I'm gonna leave that out, just here, room temperature, uncovered, for at least 24 hours, probably even more. Oop, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna put it on a paper towel so it can really dry out. Of course, I'm gonna flip it maybe 4 times altogether, not too often, just so it can dry out everywhere. Here, our ribeye, it's been salted and out in room temperature for almost 29 hours. You can see this is really soaked up. I switched it, moved it around so it could really dry out, and I turned it. Nice color change. And yeah, here it's still a bit not so dry. Here it's getting drier. You could totally leave it out even longer, I would say, but I'm hungry. So now this will be salty. I like salty. You can brush it off or like rub it off. I wouldn't wash it off because we just dried it. But I like it salty. I just leave it like that. Also, of course, it depends what kind of salt you used and how much salt you used. Sorry, but the gas grills suck. So I have here hickory wood. That will give it a nice flavor. And I'm only gonna use this because I like my meat very rare. Well, this is really dried out, so it won't be rare like usually. And if this would be really good, high quality meat, yeah, that's Norman barking, I would even try it just like that, raw, just dried for 29 hours. But it's not really high quality meat, unfortunately. So it's already smoking. That also gives a really nice flavor when you put stuff on the grill and you close it and you smoke it. But we want flames, so we're gonna wait. So we're having a flame. I was kind of doing this, trying to get the smoke into the meat. I could probably also put it just up here and close it for a little bit. Of course, you can make the steak however you want, in the pan, with a torch, however you want. So these flames, that's what I like to see. Yes, yeah. Ooh. Now we're getting somewhere. Yep. This is what I like. And I'm gonna flip mine already. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, you see? I need to be careful not to leave it on too long for me. I'm always fascinated by the flames and I forget to turn it because I'm just watching and admiring the flames. Ooh, actually, it is still very rare in the middle and not very dried out. Let's try it. Oh. So good. I call this the meat murgu, the first cut and the last cut, because actually with bread in Bern, Switzerland, we call this murgu, the first and the last cut of the bread. So I call this meat murgu. And usually the meat murgu is because it's overdone. But here it's actually delicious because it's not overdone, because it's dried, as in like it's dried out. Oh, and wow. It's very salty, as I said. I didn't take off my salt, I like it. And it tastes like something between dried meat and fresh meat, ribeye of course, and salt, and wow, it's like so good. You have to try this. So I'm still trying out to prepare ribeye in all different kind of ways. And yeah, there's the microwave. I really don't want to microwave such a nice piece of meat, but I have to try it. So I just want to try it with a little piece. I really don't want to waste more for the microwave. Okay, let's put some salt on it. Oops, both sides of course. Ooh. So I really don't know how long I should do that. I just put it for 1 minute and then probably flip it over and another minute. Okay, I stopped it 10 seconds earlier because I just wanted to check, and I think I already overdid it. Well, actually, oh, it looks so sad. Well, let's try it. It actually does look very juicy, but let's see. Like, yeah, it's still pretty hot. Oh, and I didn't overdo it all the way, so it's still a little bit pinkish, so even a little bit bloody. So let's try that. Wow, it's ribeye, and ribeye is delicious, right? But no, it's just not good. Either you have to sear it in the pan, or like make it really crispy, or put it on the grill, or then make a stew, then cook it very long. But microwave, no. If you like what you see, subscribe. If not, just click me away. I'm gonna eat some this here now. This is really so good. As I said many times before, but it's really strong flavor. Like, I love it, but it's not something I could eat every day. Yeah, a strong flavor, rich, like very rich, but good. Also cool thing, I already turned everything off, turned gas, closed the gas, and you still have fire if you still have meat, but we don't want to overdo this. Ooh, look how beautiful.